morning, everybody. We have another nice incoming vehicle. This is a 2021 Jeep Gladiator Sport with front end collision damage. We're going to start under the hood first because it's raining and I have to hold an umbrella. As you can see, it has front end damage. You need the front bumper assembly, you need the grille, you need the right headlight. Frame rail on this side has a little bit of damage, hard to see, but the end of the frame horn is crunched like an accordion. You're gonna need the radiator support. You need the radiator and condenser. You can see it behind there, it's broken. Other than that, everything under the hood looks good. Motor sitting in place. Looks like a nice builder so far. Do a quick walk around. You need a hood. Left fender looks good. So far looks good from the doors back. The rear bumper cover is missing for some reason. Not sure why. Maybe the body shop that assessed the vehicle stole it. They left the key parts. Right fender looks good. Even that hood looks repairable. Just that piece right there. Pretty nice. Don't need a lot of parts. Windshield is good. Really, really nice. Excellent builder. See if we get a shot of the frame rail from the side so you can see it. You can see it right there, it's crunched like an accordion. Right there. Let's take a look inside. Only one airbag deployed. We have one key. It's a manual transmission, which is good for export. Exporters love these. Interior is in good shape. Really nice truck. It'll be on the website soon. Follow us on social media. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share the video. We'll keep them coming. Thanks for watching.